Hey guys, we're back with another video. Today we're going to show you where my dad got from. Where is it? For direct?
Where do you think we got it from?
Oh, direct.
No, we didn't. We got it from Puma.
Oh, Puma.
Puma doing a really good deal. It's 50% off. At the moment, 50% plus 20%. There's 70% of all really cheap boots. I think we got these for about £60. And they're really the ones we want to talk about. Everyone can talk about. Look.
Get on. Oh my god.
These are Puma Ultimate FGs, and they are really rated boots. Actually, Josh did the best speed boots of 2025, and he mentioned these were only second to the Mizuno Alphas. No, Alphas. And the Mizuno Alphas are brilliant, and they make expensive.
Kind of crunchy? Crusty?
Because they put your paper in there.
There's nothing in there.
So anyway, this is what you're looking at. Just look. So these are the Puma Ultimate FG and Lapis Lazuli Puma White, whatever that means. Size 8, because they run. What size are you?
8.
No, you're not. 7.5.
7.5, yeah.
Because these run half size too big generally. But make sure you check them. If you've got any way you can go and check them and try them out, it's better.
Let me try on Astro tomorrow.
Look, so do not pass for a We got all three of the boots, these colourways. So I'm going to show you quickly. So we talk a bit about them. Talk a bit about them. Talk a bit about them. Doing a video, come on.
They're good. They're light. I play for school. Now it's seniors because we don't have a 5th year team. Don't know why. But we don't have a 5th year team, so might be playing seniors. So I'll be needing these beats for grass because you never play on Astro.
So we actually have these the MG, which might be really good. The sole players might be excellent. It's got a special insole in it. That's actually a special insole. That is really good. A bit flimsy now. Got little AstroTurf bits all over the place now. These are same colourway.
I want to know how to get like the black stuff off it.
You can't. I don't think you can get the black stuff off it. So we've got these ones. The insole's gone a bit funny on this. It's gone like flimsy, floppy. What's happened to the insole? These are the MGs.
It's been too sweaty.
And these are the Ortholite.
Smell them.
That's smelly. These Ortholite ones, and they've kind of gone a bit funny. But these Ortholite, they've got a specific insole to stop getting too cold or too hot. So very good insulating insole, but they've gone all floppy. Anyway, these are really good. So you use AstroTurf. You played them today, use AstroTurf pitch. So get there though. And we've got these ones. We've done a video on this, the most recent boot video when we got these from Vinted, and they were satisfactory and they were terrible. So we had to do lots of things. We were like re-glue them.
Yeah.
Because the sole plate came away, and we had to put new laces because these really nice laces were all battered. They stunk, so we had to clean them out, wash them out. Wash the whole thing inside out, and let's get new studs because they're all worn. But they've done the purpose, they've done well, haven't they? And now we've got these. So
what is going on?
The same colourway because
look, different.
Yeah, because these are the Ortholite ones. These are the ones that may be insulating, so you can wear them hot and cold, and they insulate feet. So that's the insole there. So we've got these new ones, and these are about £60, I think. Really good price. Got normally 210 full price. It's only a Puma website. You can get these. I think you get these ones, not this colourway. There's a green colourway because we ordered some more, so we do some more reviews.
It's purple and silver.
Oh yeah. So different colour. And different colours these ones as well, because there's
Nano grip technology.
Nano grip technology, so grip beat, you can use grip socks and a grip really well. Do your feet move around at all, either the other ones?
No.
The colourway's amazing, really nice colourway. It's like almost pearlescent, isn't it? Changes, it's reflective and shiny, nice. Opalescent, yeah. And what's that noise then?
That's what I'm
What is the noise of the thing? Listen.
Do you want the other shoes?
Oh, do it, yeah. Does it make sound?
No. What is
It's
going on?
crunchy noise. Can you hear that? So anyway, it's got this power tape, which is meant to hold down. Where's it go?
Where power tape?
It says that is meant to give you a bit more lockdown. Does it feel locked in?
Yeah.
The actual name of the upper, they call it that. What is it?
What does it say?
Downside.
Grip Control Pro.
Grip Control Pro. So, is it grippy? Does it feel grippy on the...
Can you not read that?
Shut up. Let me be, because you never say anything. You've got to talk more in the videos. Your videos. I know you don't want to talk. You want me to do
Why does it look like it's flashing? That's...
So, it's quite tiny reflective.
really nice.
They are thin upper, really thin.
You can see it, the thing more in the camera. Look. You can see it more. Look. You can look at it now. You can see it more there.
What do you mean, see more?
Like the line. But look at it now. You can't really see it.
You mean what? Oh, then maybe that's power tape we're talking about. On
This?
the side. Power tape,
This
yeah.
blue stuff.
Yeah, zigzag thing. So
Well-
make it more structure, more structure.
Oh.
So you get lockdown. That nano grip, it just is what? How do you describe it?
It's...
Sandpaper-like. Or
Wait,
grippy.
which way is it? This way?
Oh, no, either way. It's more sandpaper-like, isn't it? So
Yeah.
it grips your feet well, so your feet won't slide around the boots. But then grip socks will do that anyway. But that's more grip socks, even better. What do we think about the quality? Good.
Yes.
External heel counter, which people talk about, not internal, external. You've got this weird thing here, this extra stud that apparently, I watched a video today that talked about how it helps you slow down, because when you slow down, your feet go like that.
Mm.
So actually, that's meant to help you slow
That?
down. Yeah, this bit, this stud here.
Oh.
Would you say it's fairly aggressive, the stud pattern?
Yeah.
Yeah, quite aggressive stud pattern. If you look at the other ones, variation, and that obviously has to be for MG, so that'd be for really
Too vicious.
that's short, nice and short. But that would be only for AstroTurf and really good pitches that aren't very
What?
really good pitches that aren't very wet or muddy or grip well. Yeah. What do you think that place is?
Look, just move back and just look on it. Look. There's so many though.
We've got all the same colour. So people are going to think you're just wearing all the boots all the time. But it doesn't matter, because this is the old colourway. That's why you can get them cheap. But another colourway now, a green one, a lime kind of green coloured one that's going cheap as well, because we just bought. We're going to review those as well at some point. They're going to be much the same, I think, really. Just different colourway, but you're going to do about the colourway. But anyway, let's get rid of those.
What? Why there's so much in there?
Some even under the insole, you little kind of AstroTurf bits. We're not meant to be talking about this, but you leave those. Let's talk about these boots.
Much.
Anyway, the insole's different
What
colour.
is that? PWRT tape.
Power tape. That's the idea. Power tape.
Yeah, power tape. Yeah.
So I think they're very good boots. These are ones that they really rate, the FG ones, but they also like the MG multi-ground because the insoles might be really excellent. But that's, again, we get all this advice and ideas and boots from SR4U and Unisport and Boot Wizard. They're really good websites, YouTube channels who want to find out about boots and know what to get, because people do get ripped off and buy boots, like go to local Sports Direct or whatever and buy them. Yeah, let's see, what's the springback like?
Not that much.
That's good, you know, that's good.
Wait, how are you flicking? Oh yeah,
That is good. That is good.
What are those ones that are really good? The ones with carbon fibre?
Carbon fibre, yeah, they used to be with the Adidas X's, And also they have it with the Mizuno Alphas. They have that carbon fibre. I don't know what other ones have. But anyway, and you get carbon fibre full sole plates.
Which ones are
you can get these Puma Ultra carbon, but they're meant to be really aggressive. A lot of people don't like them, the way they feel, but these are meant to be the ones that people
really
like.
Expensive ones? Morelli's?
No, just a New Balance, Mizuno. All the ones made in Japan.
Yeah, Japan ones.
But the ones that aren't made in Japan, the pros, are meant to be just as good. Nearly just as good, not much different. So you want to probably go for a pro, but the quality is better with the made in Japan. But they're like ridiculously expensive. So these were normally £210, which is a lot of money, and we got them for about 60, which is brilliant, or 50. So in bargain price for a top end elite. So these are the Puma Ultimate Elite, Ultra Ultimate, the best. These are the top end boots. The ones under these pro, but the pros are meant to be very similar, but they're very heavy. But these are really nice and light. How should you find out how much I weigh? Just weigh them. If you weigh them. Yeah, let's go.
Do you know what, yeah?
Where's the scale?
I don't know. Do you know what? Why doesn't someone, just make a boot with like everything that's good from every other boot?
You could do that, but then that's what Josh is trying to do. Remember, he's got his own boot thing he's going to make. Where is the scale? Where are the scales?
But then it would be, apparently, but if you think about it, if a business did, say a Puma did that, they wouldn't, like, if they did every single, like, good thing about every other boot and their boot, then
they'd be copying, wouldn't they?
No, but then they couldn't make any other boot. And people might get bored of that boot. You get me?
But it's all down to individual preferences, what individual...
Because if they sell a boot with all of the stuff, then people won't buy other boots from the company. Because they just think that that's the best boot.
Yeah, the best boot. But then everyone is down to individual preference, isn't it? So these are little bits. But anyway, how do you find these boots? Here's the other thing. These are for people with wider feet. Because the other Ultras, they've been now from the first generation of boots that had the little stringy bits for the laces. Yeah?
Yeah.
And they had Kevlar or whatever in the upper to give it rigidity. Now they were really super light. They've got not as light as they used to be, but also they were okay for you, but all the other generations of these have been quite narrow, but then these are wider, so they fit you okay. You find the Puma boots generally fit you good, don't you? You gotta find what boots fit you good, not just the individual brand, but individual ones. Like, for example, you can get Puma Futures, you can get Puma Kings, and you can get these Puma Ultras, so they're all good. So you've got this bit that's a bit extended, and it's quite grippy here, isn't it? Bit of texture in there, but the front, it is a bit of a grippy texture, isn't it?
Yeah.
Do you find it a bit grippy on the boots when you're shooting with them, kicking with them?
Mm-mm.
No? Find them okay? In a liner, nice.
Yes.
The back part
very
here.
Very comfy.
Very comfy, back part here is comfy for speed boot, they're very comfortable.
Yes.
One of your favourite boots ever?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's why we got them. So we're going to stick with these, hopefully, and they'll be good.
Do you know one of my favourite boots are?
What?
But they don't sell them anymore.
What?
Remember the blue and black? And it had like that weird design. It was a Puma boot.
Blue and black.
I used to wear it to
Blue and black.
Paddy's match.
Blue and black. I can't remember.
Do you remember? He used to have blue all hair.
Yeah.
And he used to have
Oh
black
yeah,
hair.
they're really comfy.
They were so good.
Yeah, I think you still get them, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah. But it wouldn't be light as these, or nice as these. Generation change, but generally the silhouette's nice. Toe box area, not quite low. It's pretty okay. Yeah. So what do you think? We're going to try them on in a minute.
Yeah.
We're going to do a bit of video try and fit, and we can talk about what they feel like and how they feel compared to the other ones. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right then.
Please like and subscribe to
No, we haven't finished yet.
Oh yeah.
Come on.
Sorry.
We do in a minute.
See you in a bit.
Okay.